5,326 divided by 30. So 30 times 2 is 60, and 30 times 10 is 300. So I might go for 3,000. So instead of times 10, how about times 100? So 30 times 100 would be 3,000. So if I subtract that, I get 2,326. And then I can't do another 3,000 into that, but maybe half of that. So I know 30 times 5, since 30 times 10 is 300, 30 times 5 has to be half of that, which is 150. So that means that 30 times 50 would be 1,500. Just attaching a 0. Subtract that, and I get 826. Let's see, 30 times 2 is 60, so times 20 would be 600. So if I did that, that would leave me with 226. Can't quite get the 300 out of that. I could do the 150 though. So we said 30 times 50, I'm sorry, 30 times 5 is 150. So 5 more would give me that. Let me go ahead and go a little further here. Let's see, 6, subtract that, and I get 7. So I'm getting 76 here. And then 30 would go into that. I think the 60 would work well. So 2 times 30 is 60, and that gives me 16 left over. So I need to add all this up. 177 with a remainder of 60. And then let's do long division. 5,326 divided by 30. 30 doesn't go into 5, but it does go into 53, and it only goes in once. So 1 times 30 is 30. Subtract that, I get 23, and then bring down the 2 and the 6, although I'm only going to use the 2 for right now. So 30 will go into 232. Trying to think what that would be. Let's see. I'm gonna try 7. Just seems like a good guess. Because 7 times 3 is 21, right? So this would be 7 times 30 would be 210. Yeah, I think that works well. So that gives me 22, and then bring down my 6. And so, with long division, it's different than scaffold. Scaffold, you could do it multiple different ways. Long division, once you figure it out correctly, it should look exactly the same as everybody else's. Let's see, 30 into 226. Again, I think I'm going to do 7 because I know that 7 times 30 is 210. So let's do that. And that gives me 16, and 30 doesn't go into that. So 177 with a remainder of 16.